Be a yes man or woman. Learn how to say yes in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबलस्पून। आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 6 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Today, our vocabulary words are haan, which means yes, ladka, which means boy, and ladki, which means girl. Now, you'll notice that ladka and ladki, I've written that special sound RD. Now, this is a special character in Hindi that's pronounced ra, but in many other textbooks, you're not going to see it written RD if it's been transliterated or romanized. You might see an R with a dot on it or just an R. But this helps me to kind of know how this character or this sound is pronounced, and I hope it helps you as well. All right, let's move on to our grammar key for today. Our grammar key for today is haan, मैं blank हूँ. Yes, I blank am. So we could say, yes, I am a boy, or yes, I am a girl. हाँ, मैं लड़का हूँ. हाँ, मैं लड़की हूँ. Yes, I am a boy. Yes, I am a girl. And remember, the helping verb am comes at the end of the sentence. It actually comes after the object. So it's kind of interesting that we say literally what you're saying is yes, I, boy, am. Yes, I, girl, am. All right, let's spend a minute or two drilling this. हाँ, मैं लड़का हूँ. हाँ, मैं लड़की हूँ. Yes, I am a boy. Yes, I am a girl. हाँ, मैं अमीर हूँ. Yes, I am rich. हाँ, मैं गरीब हूँ. Spend a few minutes going over this, saying it several times, looking away, trying to repeat this phrase until you're confident and know that you can repeat it. Thanks for joining us for day 6 of the 30-day Hindi challenge.